world?
I got 5 socks on my butt.
And I got 1 pair and my Adidas because all my boots are gone. And it's looking very cold out there. It's snowing. There's a dude walking around. That's probably Dad. No. But wait, I have lunch meat in my pocket. I was gonna give it to the kittens. But the barn's like 15 feet away. It's so torn. Okay, brace yourself. It's in my mouth. I do not approve. Fuck, your gate's closed. It's in my face. I do not approve. Ew, it's wet and sloshy over here. Can you see what he's making on his footprint? Slushy on the ground. I can't read all that slushiness. That leopard kittens is a turtle. Okay. It's in my face. Why is it not on my phone? It's so weird. But
Charlotte!
They're down here. Babies. I brought peace offering. I had it in my pocket. Some lunch meat. Don't worry, it's got a piece of paper around it. Not a breath. Babies. Here, babies. Got you some lunch meat. Come on. Scarlet.
That's what the Callie is, that was.
Oh no, she's taking it all.
Are you gonna post this video?
Yeah.
We should tell them that I have a bracelet, so I'll have to be really funny. Tell them.
Man, save some for Callie.
Charlotte!
Callie, okay, get in on this.
Okay, what have you done?
I should have put it in 2 separate files. I'm so sorry. Why are their food bowls empty?
I took it.
Yeah, she's gone.
Let's go get some more lunch meat.
Oh, let's take this paper away before she tries to eat it. Into the trash bucket. That's not really a trash bucket. Okay, kitties, we're gonna go get you some more lunch meat, okay? Okay, we love you. I love you. Goodbye. It's winter chickens, like a reindeer, but with more feathers. It's in my face! How are you not cold? You got feathers. Okay, this is my circle. No snow is allowed in here. Oh, whoa, Grace, what is that?
It's Grace Radio.
That's cool. I'm not, that's cool. You got like a nest going on. Ooh, shelter. What is that?
Watch me.
Watch me whip. Now watch me suffer. Now watch me die, and watch me suffer. Do you want to feed them on cement? We could just clear a little place. Ew, water. Oh! Oh. Oh! So my hands are... Is it real quick? So my hands are really cold, and on the bright side, I found out that all of this cold and deadness around me makes me look really good. This is the best I've looked in months, probably. Yeah, don't toot at me, clucker. And here we see a Sasquatch, and she's squeaking aggressively at the things. My phone is getting... Damn it! So snowed on. If it keeps up like this, there'll be so much snow on the door that we won't be able to get out of the house. Then I guess you could say we'll be snowed in. was an Undertale reference. It's my face! It's all along my arm. There's Jelly Bean, like a beast in the snow. And what looks like a little Darth Vader in the snow. All I wanted to do was watch Undertale animations for 12 hours today. Pride and Prejudice got canceled, but what you gonna do? All I'm gonna do is get lunch meat. Yeah, to get sidetracked. And that's about all for this first, second snow. I can't open my eyes, there's water. Hello. No! Okay. I can see! So you can see I immediately revert back to my ugly ass self when I get out of the deadness. So I'm gonna pick up some lunch meat, and that'll be that. Thanks for watching.